When we recognized there was a problem with the amount of drugs that were being dispensed, we went to the State Department of Health and Mental Hygiene to talk about what were the issues around drug dispensing by physicians. We came to find out that in Maryland in particular, most other states had something called a prescription drug monitoring program. The initials are PDMP. It requires an investment by the state to make the system operate. We made an offer to them to fund $750,000 to the state of Maryland to basically get the programming done to turn on the PDMP. In addition to that, we have hired a full-time pharmacist onto our staff. The full-time pharmacist looks at the drugs that are being dispensed by the dispensaries to our claimants. We limit the number of prescriptions somebody can get to a maximum of 3 initially. Our position is opioids are not bad in and of themselves. They were designed for a specific purpose. So our main emphasis is we want the person to get the right care, we want them to get the right drugs, but we want to limit the amount of opioids in particular to a 3 to 5 day dispensing while we help them manage their acute pain. We feel very positive about the results we have achieved. We've seen a significant decline in the number of patients that are receiving opioid drugs over the last 3 to 5 years. We believe that this is due to the steps we've been taking to help with this situation. This is not about not paying for drugs. This is about trying to combat a situation that is an epidemic. We have invested heavily in a medical department here. 3 doctors, a full-time pharmacist, a part-time physical therapist, 22 nurses. We believe that the medical component is substantial to getting the person back to work. We are not against paying for drugs. We are trying to sound the alarms around an epidemic. Part of our goal is to help the whole community, whether you're one of our customers or not. We provided the $750,000 to the state of Maryland to help with the prescription drug monitoring program, PDMP, which we've seen great results from. We are providing drug disposal bags, dispose of them in the trash, totally safe for the environment. We will provide them to anyone that wants them. And we are also providing Narcan training that will help with people if someone has an overdose from an opioid. It potentially can save someone's life. We're going to be providing that to anyone, whether you're a policyholder or not. We want to make the community a better place for everybody. We see this as a real epidemic. We have tried to lead the way in helping to get the message out there. We would encourage anyone who wants more information about this to contact us. We recognize that this is going to be a joint effort of government, business, the medical community, the insurance community, everyone. This is everybody's problem. Everyone's being impacted by this. Please do whatever you can do to help assist with this issue.